Kalamera KRC-150BV 24-inch Beverage Refrigerator 175 Cans Capacity Beverage Cooler. One of the best things about the top-quality Kalamera KRC-150BV is its great storage amount. While taking up moderate floor space, you get a storage area for up to 175 cans of your preferred cold beverages. Moreover, the cooler has a very sleek and elegant design. It's made of stainless steel with a glass front, and the blue LED lighting inside adds to the elegance as well. What more could you want? There are also 5 wire racks inside the Kalamera KRC-150BV 24-inch Beverage Refrigerator 175 Can Capacity Beverage Cooler that you can quickly and easily remove to add cases of soda cans or beer. In addition, the cooler has a temperature memory function that returns the cooler automatically to the temperature you set after a power failure, which can safeguard all your beverages from the increasing temperatures. Now here's a few pros. Sleek and stylish design. You can easily remove the cooler's wire racks. The temperature memory function is a great benefit. Now here's a con. Ice starts to build up in the cooler's evaporator after some time, which is unfavorable and affects its performance.